The WebServe billing system has unique functionality in integration with provisioning platforms. The characteristics of a product in relation to provisioning can be defined from the product view page. From the product view, we can define the product characteristics that we wish to be enabled for the service we create in the billing system. In the Included Services tab, by clicking the Add Service button, the system appears all the services that can be provisioned. By selecting a service, automatically its characteristics appear and we can parameterize it accordingly. In our current example, we can see SQL Server 2008 and SQL Azure Server. In this demo presentation, we can see the product e-commerce website that's comprised of one website with 500 megabytes of storage and 1 gigabyte of total traffic. In addition, it has one database for its CMS, 10 mailboxes with 1 gigabyte storage and one FTP account. We can view through the subscriptions of a customer what services are activated. In the Services Provisioning tab, there are two main sections. The Services Setup, where the support engineer or any other user with granted access privileges can set up the services of the customer without having to use the provisioning platform. By clicking the desired service to be parameterized, the appropriate provisioning section from the panel will appear on the screen. The second section is the technical details and quota usage. Here, we are presenting in full extent the technical details as they would appear in the provisioning panel. In addition, we can see what is the usage of the available resources from the resource pool. The same functionality is available even to the end customer through the web commerce portal. Again, the end customer, in the Services Setup section, can set up his own services without having to use the provisioning platform. Moreover, in the technical details and quota usage, the end customer is presenting in full extent the technical details and usage summary of his services.